All right, guys, we're at hive number 1. Oh, wow. Let me get some more smoke. Now, I suspect that I am going to remove this feeder today. I'm going to put this at the front so you can start getting off of it. Okay, here is, oh wow. Well, I don't know what they're doing there, but I'm seeing them try to get this bee out, so I'm gonna help it. Okay. So, what I'm seeing is not much of anything in this super, which is fine. And I may go ahead and remove this super so they're not distracted by it, since they're not just insane like my other hives. I don't see a queen, so that's good. Oh my, but this is really built. Oh wow. Okay then. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done with that super, because if there's any excess from this one, I think I'm gonna donate it over to 2, because I'm just not gonna get any honey from this hive personally, and that's the only reason why I would keep the super on. So there is a lot left of fall and they're pretty full, so maybe I should leave it on to give them some space to do something. But also, if I'm stealing resources, to make 2 stronger, that gives them space also. Tricky, 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 tricky. What to do, what to do, what to do. Well, let's have a look, see? What's strange is that, like, so full, so full, so full, pretty full, nothing, so full, so full, so full. So I almost feel like I took that one. yeah, that's my broken one. You know what? If you guys are thinking of getting a sauna, just get a bee suit and a beehive, and you will definitely get your sauna days in. Ooh-wee! It's a lot of honey. So not much brood, but a ton of honey. Okay. So this is a candidate. Okay, I'm gonna put it in like this. So I remember the order. This one's not marked. I've been trying to put the year on my frames so that way I guess in a while I can be like, oh, that frame's 10 years old. Maybe it should you know, be retired or whatever. Oh, cool. Let's see what they're doing on that. Okay. And that's just like their freestyle, so I'm gonna leave that alone and not mess with it. I like to give them just one frame of honey super. That way they can freestyle a little bit. Oh yeah. Just so beautiful looking down in there. I like to listen to the hive. It's hard to hear over this dumb fan, but see, look, nothing on that side. Honey, I wonder what's going on. Did I do something? See nothing again. Stupid beetle. So I had to have taken this. I don't know why the middle would be so... I don't know, man. Maybe it's just the way they draw. It seems like they've always favored that side anyways, so maybe that's... See, they have all this room, which is even more encouraging to be like, hey, they don't need this honey super, you know? Capped honey, and then a lot more. So this side's pretty weak, but this side's way crazy good. Oh wow. Oh, baby new bee. You can tell if it's a baby new bee if it's so fuzzy. This is a great frame to steal, I think. It's got honey, it's got brood. Okay, I'm gonna really look it over, make sure the queen's not on here. You can help me look. Can you see that? If I hold it here? Yeah. All right. If you see the queen, just yell at me. Oh, wow. You guys are beautiful. I don't care which orientation I end up with because I'm taking it from this hive. No queen. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spritz these guys with some sugar water so the other frame accepts them better. And I'm gonna put this in this other nuke here, which is my little area for what I'm taking to number 2. Okay? So now I really need a frame from number 2 to put back in this one, so I'll be right back. Okay, here's my 2 frames I'm gonna steal from hive number 2. And I'm gonna go ahead and drop my new hive right there. Our new frame right there. Okay. Didn't forget about you. Okay. We'll just run through the top here since we're so close. I'm so pleased that these bees haven't been, my old bees used to like build the hive together between the top and the bottom. And these ones are way better. Lots of brood in this one. Beautiful. Oh, I can hear the hive again over this crazy fan. See, you can see the larva in there that hasn't been capped yet. So that's kind of neat. When it gets old enough, then they'll cap it. And some more space here, so just confirming, like, I don't need a honey super right now. Oh yeah, looking great, girls. I don't see the queen up here, but lots of activity. She was obviously up here at some point. So we're gonna put you back where you go. Slide over. And then add in these nukes. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just scraped a ton of the bees off. I don't think I hurt them. Whew. Okay, hive number one. You're looking really good. They can fly. Who'd have thought? Alright, so I'm getting rid of a lot of space that they have to defend, so that's good. Look at that. Much more clean. Alright. Well, I hope they're not getting ready to swarm. Seems kind of swarmy, but also it just seems maybe kind of hot. I did reduce their size. Maybe I should turn it into a 10 instead of an 8. But honestly, I don't know. It's pretty hot. Maybe those are all the foragers coming home. I first just wanted to show how much better this hive is doing. As you can see, it's just a normal amount of bees on the front. I had to put on the super because there was just not enough room in these two for the bees to fit when all the foragers came home. So they're definitely using that upper space. There was a little bit of honey up there, but I didn't think it was like enough. But here at the end of July, I guess there's quite a bit of summer left, so I want to leave them some space so they can not get frustrated with living here. I do think I'm gonna make this 8 frame into a 10 frame because they're doing pretty well, and I'd like to give them the ability to get those extra 4 frames of resources or whatever stored up for the winter if they're gonna be productive, you know.